Question for all you mother truckers. If you are getting a service done at a truck stop or at their repair shop, should you be able to wait there? Because the security guard came up to this truck driver and said, "You gots to go. I don't care if you don't go. I'll call your company. I'll call the police." And, he was so upset because he was thinking to himself, I'm trying to get my tire fixed here. The shop knows I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. There's just nowhere to park. What do I do? If I leave, police could stop me. Definitely it's a violation to have a pop tire. So, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about this, but it definitely gets interesting. Now, here's the thing. Power Pony Trucking says that he was waiting for 5+ hours before the security guard came up. And basically, by the time he took out his camera and started recording him, the security guard kind of started changing his mood and talking to him with respect. And before that, he said he was not. And it was just pissing him off. And so I did edit out all the words, if you know what I mean. He was extremely upset. He did say that he didn't like to get like that, but he just felt like this security guard was just playing games with him. Overall, what are your thoughts about this? Should he have moved? Definitely had a pop tire, couldn't go anywhere. Or should he have stayed his ground? That's why he wanted to share this video. If anyone else wants to share their videos, mothertruckernews@gmail.com. Let's get into it.
I'm sitting here waiting for the shop. I have it on record with my company.
You can't wait where you can't park.
Yeah.
I just
but I break out the camera.
Also,
you told me something.
Move also. The third truck can't move because his airbag is busted. He's the only one that's authorized to park right there. That's what I just told you.
Well, I can't take this.
You can't park right here.
I legally can't take this out on the road per DOT regulation.
Hopefully, you have this on record, right? I'm about to call the police, and I want you to record the call. And you don't really want those problems. Your company don't want those problems.
I don't know what
I
the fuck
can call your company.
Because
let
there's
them
literally
know that I'm about to call the police.
Because there's no.
And they will tell you
I
this
supposed
is
to
what
do?
we do. They will tell you to move, bro. I'm trying not to call
I can
the
tell
police
you all, y'all,
I'm trying
because
not to
I've
call the
been
police
here
on
for
you.
fucking hours. No
It doesn't
issue,
matter.
bro.
5 hours and 12
No
minutes.
issue. And now you come
can't
up on me
park.
with.
Somebody tries to get out here and they can't get out. You still can't move.
They've been getting out for 6 hours
Done with
service.
me.
I'm waiting service
You're not getting
from the.
service. Lamar Avenue, the Love's Travel Stop. I have a truck driver that's illegally parked. He's refusing to move. I've asked him to move. I've told him I'm trying not to call the police on him to have him move. But I've been every name that you can imagine. So I need him. I need the police to come to have him move. He's sitting in the truck refusing to move. It is a